Hello everyone, if you're trying to play 007 First Light and the game is not launching on your PlayStation 5, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix 007 not launching on PS5 easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your games menu and now you're going to go on to 007 First Light and you're going to press the options button on your controller. Now you're going to go into check for update here. Once you go into that, it will update your game. After that, you're going to press the options button again, but this time you're going to go into restore license here. Once you're into restore license, it will tell you that in order to restore the license, it needs to close all of the games. So just click on to restore here, and then it's gonna start restoring the license on 007. After it's done restoring the license, you're gonna turn your PlayStation 5 off, and you're gonna wait for a minute or two before turning it back on again. And after that, now you're going to go ahead and try to play 007 First Light, and you'll see that your game will now launch. You'll not face those problems anymore. So it is guys, that's how it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.